I wanted to share with you how to cure erectile dysfunction with Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises are really a cure for erectile dysfunction, so let's talk about how to cure erectile dysfunction naturally with Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises for men are yet another natural solution that has been shown in many males to be as powerful as Viagra or Cialis, exercise of course being another. The power of Kegel exercises over erectile dysfunction was shown in one 2005 British study which put men in two groups. One, men who made lifestyle changes such as smoking, weight reduction, and exercise, and those who made lifestyle changes plus Kegel exercises. After 3 months, the results of group number 2 were so dramatic that the researchers put everyone on Kegel exercises. Think about that. The Kegel exercises for group 2 did much better than group 1 that quit smoking, was exercising, and reducing weight, all of which are proven erectile dysfunction fighters. After 6 months, 76% of the men had significantly improved their erectile function. That's 3 out of every 4, and it's on par with Viagra or any other erection-enhancing drug out there. The researchers concluded that this study suggests that pelvic floor exercises should be considered as a first line of approach for men seeking long-term resolution of their erectile dysfunction. In other words, Kegels improve erectile dysfunction in a strong majority of cases. So what are Kegel exercises? They are the easiest exercise you will ever do in the sense that you can do them anywhere, anytime, and no one will ever know. You don't have to drive to a gym or find a track or enroll in a program to do Kegel exercises, nor do they take long to do. The only trick for beginners is to knowing which muscles they are supposed to exercise. To find the right pelvic floor muscles for Kegel exercises, simply urinate and then cut off the flow. You should feel the muscles at the base of the penis a little above your anus contracting. You should feel a contraction in this area because these muscles run from the anus to the base of the penis. If you're serious about curing erectile dysfunction, I recommend you take a look at the link in the description, which I have personally helped hundreds of men cure their erectile dysfunction naturally. You're not responsible for having erectile dysfunction, but you can take control and cure yourself. I was able to cure my and hundreds of other guys' erectile dysfunction problem with the link below. Check out the link in the description and make the decision for yourself if it is the right option for you.